guys, what's up? Welcome back, and here I am with another video.
Hey, what's up guys? It's your girl Chocolate.
How I prep for my food, my workout. I get really bored with food really fast, so prepping for me always been a failure. After day 2, I don't want that no more. How many of you look at videos, meal prep videos on YouTube, and they're bland? Look dry. You just be like, nah, I'm okay. My world, I'm gonna show you how I season my food. If you're tired of these boring prep videos, stay tuned because I'm gonna show you how to make a prep video with some tasty food. Thank you so much for watching and just being a part of my world. I love you, and I'll see you in the next poppin' video.